Hello and welcome everyone. I am Akash and this is the AR Core Show, a podcast for and about the youth. The privileged people don't march and protest. Their world is safe and clean and governed by laws designed to keep them happy. This is a quote by John Grisham. Now, we do not need to know who John Grisham is, but what we need to know is that protests are happening. It is happening all over the world. Somewhere it is for the black people, somewhere for other social causes, somewhere it is for the climate change, and India is no different to it. Protests happen here over time to time on matter to matter. There are various, there are a number of things on which the protests happen in India. But this time it is very much different. But this time the protest is different. It is the students. The students are protesting against the government, and both are standing at a position facing each other where no one wants to take reverse. No one wants to move a bit from their position. They are standing like a wall. Why all these protests are happening? So as you know that NEET and JEE are the medical and engineering entrance exams in the country, and government have declared the dates. Basically NTA have declared, which is an government arm. They have declared the dates for these exams and these are to be conducted in September. Now students are protesting over these because there are rise in the COVID-19 cases. There are on an average 70,000 cases per day in India, and that's a huge number, to be honest. That's why all these protests are happening. Students are on hunger strike. So let's discuss the students and the government's point of view in this, and whom it is beneficial for and whom it is harmful. I will talk about the students' point of view, their argument in this. It is very simple, it is very clear. Students want the exam to be postponed. Why? It is very obvious reasons. The cases in the country are on rise. There are 70,000 cases on an average a day, and which is not a small number. Everyone is very much aware. The government is also aware that this is not a small number, and these cases are not going down. So the students are of the point that the exam should be at least postponed till November. We can only hope that the condition will improve. The students' point is basically postponing the exams at least till November. Now students are also complaining that their center of choice is too far from where they live. Even the choice is limited to them. Students have to travel almost 250 to 300 kilometers. Like in Bihar, there are several cases of this. So there are a number of points. Now let's talk about the government's point of view. Why government is firm on their point that they will conduct the exams. Definitely, government do not want to take any risk regarding the future of the students. There are students who are protesting. There are a number of students who also are willing to write the exam, who are of the mind that the exam should be conducted. It's already too late. So the government is thinking to conduct the exams. The whole of the year should not be wasted, and it's also a very much valid point. Now one can ask who is right or who is wrong in this situation. Actually there is no right, no wrong in this situation. This is a very critical situation, and it only depends on the point of view from where you are seeing the condition. If you see it from the government's point of view, it's very true that a whole year should not be wasted, and that's why the exam should be conducted. Also, if you view from the students and parents point of view, then you are right that the students should not be exposed to this. So there is no one wrong and no one's right in this scenario. All are wrong and all are right in their own perspective, and it depends from where you are seeing the scenario. So what we can do, what we can suggest, what we can expect, there can be a number of solutions to this. But what are most reasonable, what are most legitimate solution to this are these three. Number one, increasing test center, and it is also a demand of students that the government must increase the test centers. Almost every college and school is just closed, they are empty. These can be used for the test center, and it's very true. The government should increase the test center, and they have already, but I think it's not enough. They should increase even more. And And the authorities should ensure that the candidate do not have to travel much, like not more than say 50 kilometers. Even 50 kilometers is like a big distance to travel. Number two is making strict SOP. Yes, NTA has released the SOP, but what is most important is making it more stricter. Like everyone should follow the SOP. Every test center should ensure that each and every point of the SOP is to be followed, and there's no lag in any of the proceedings. Also, there should be some kind of help center from where the students can reach and the help can reach to them. The very important thing is the help can reach the students. And the third, which is very much obvious, is postponing the exams till November. Yes, it is also a demand of the students to postpone the exams till November and take the exams after that. It's legitimate. If we have, if you say we have wasted 3 or 4 months already, then why not just wait for 2 extra months? These are like, we cannot play with the lives of the students at the cost of their just making their future better. What we can do is just wait for a little time. We can wait 2 months till November and then we can have the exams. Yes, postponing after that would be costlier for everything, for government, for the future of the students, for parents, for everyone. It would not be easy to postpone till after November, but till November we can do that, we can afford it. So these are the better and most reasonable solutions to this problem. Government must listen to them. So thank you everyone. That's all for this week's episode. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also, there will be link in the YouTube description for Spotify, Apple Podcast, Pocket Cast in case you want to listen the audio version of this podcast. Also, consider sharing if you like my content, what I create. If you want someone to know that it's good for them. Also, you can leave a comment if you have any ideas or you just want to say anything. Leave the comment in the video description below. Thanks for your precious time. That's all for this week. I'll meet you the next week. Till then, be happy, be you.